morning. This is a refrigeration simulator trainer, double door. In this, we will describe the working of refrigerator. Refrigerator is the most valuable household appliance. It keeps foods and drinks cold by pushing a liquid refrigerant through a sealed system, which causes to vaporize and drawing out the heat from the objects and keep it cool at the temperature. The vaporized refrigerant is then passed through the coils surrounding the system. There is a coils are behind the systems which are cooling the system right there, and these are the ducts from which the cooled air is coming to keep the cool. Now I'll describe you the working and all these functions. Basically, refrigeration cycle depends upon four main things: compressor, condenser, evaporator, and expansion valve. We have used the capillary tube for the expansion valve to drop the temperature of the refrigerant. This is a main board of the unit. In this board, this is a voltmeter. This is telling the voltage coming of this. This is an ammeter. This is directly coupled with the compressor. The consumption it is using energy meter for trying out the consumption of the full trainer kit. There are 5 sensors. We have installed PT100 sensor at all points. First at condenser inlet, condenser outlet, evaporator inlet, evaporator outlet, and refrigerator. I'll show you the service valve and the connection of this. This is the main service valve to fill in the gas. This is the service valve to control the temperature. This is a filter or a dryer for refrigerant. These are the coiling system of the refrigerant. From this, the high pressure air is transferred into the condenser, where it passes through the number of coils, and by fan it is drying out the warmness of the refrigerant. Then it is passed through the evaporator, where it condenses down, the gas is converted into the liquid, and that refrigerant is causing the cooling around the area or the surrounding of the refrigerant, which is providing the cooling comfort of the unit. There is also, we had put the LPHP cutout for low and high temperature, at which it will cut down the where it will cut down the compressor. This is a pressure high gauge high. This is at the compressor when the it's jointed at the refrigerant outlet. It is compressor outlet, and there is low pressure which is at the evaporator inlet. When you hit the gas, it will detect the air temperature and the pressure of the gas refrigerant, through which it will automatically cut down if high gas is high, or at the minimum through the hour bar from the low temperature. Here you can set the pressure of the refrigerant at LP and HP. There is a thermostat to control the temperature which we want, or at which we want to the cutout of the compressor. Thank you.